Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, red color, light green color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, orange color, black color, light green color, and blue color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. So kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. So kids, now you draw V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.